morning, grade 2. It is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020, 4-28-20. If you want to write these things in your assignment book, you certainly may, to help you know which things you have left to do today. And for religion, you have Daniel in the Lion's Den. Read the story and discuss the questions on the bottom with your family. For reading, remember you don't have anything from your hardcover reading book this week, and you don't have any packet work to do. So work diligently on your EPIC books and take your AR tests on that. Remember, you can read more than that as well, but I expect you to read the ones I have assigned to you. You do have a little bit of work to do in science, so that's part of the reason also. We're trying to get caught up with that. You had Living Things Grow, and that was yesterday's, so make sure, if you haven't already read it, make sure that you do it, and right away this morning, send me a picture of the bottom here, and then remember, I had given you, they aren't the exact same materials that they had listed here. I gave you a bead, some yarn, tissue paper, pipe cleaners, a shell, and I think that was it. And so use those items or other things that you have at home to be able to set up the 4 things. And I did not give you cardboard. You can put it on one big cardboard and put them all on there, or you could put it on separate cardboards, however you want to do it. You make it work, all right? And then label what's happening in each one, all right? And send me a picture of that, or maybe do a video explaining what's happening in each one. That would be awesome too, all right? And then today you will be finishing up the Be Healthy, all right? So read through that on Studies Weekly and then make yourself a treat, all right? And you have some information to complete here on the bottom of your page as well. And you do have the cup and the craft stick to use that was in your little baggie that I gave you as well, okay? And then save the baggie. You'll actually need the baggie and the glove for a different thing that we're doing a little bit later on in the weeks to come here, okay? So you have those 2 science things to work on. Do a page or so in your Junior Park Ranger packet today and get started on that. And then remember to do your next letter to your nursing home people, okay? So the thing that we're going to be working on today is talking about dividing things into equal groups, okay? Remember last time that you picked up your things, you had a little plastic baggie with the tiles in? Could you grab that, pause the video, and grab the plastic baggie with the tiles? And you should have 20 of them, okay? And we're going to work on that. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to. I'm going to cut to my other screen, and then we will do some work together. All right. So let's say these are my 20 tiles here, okay? And let's say I'm going to divide them in 2 groups, okay? 2 groups. So I'm going to move them out of the way so that I have room for my 2 groups. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so I had my 20 tiles and I put them in 2 groups. So how many are in each of my groups? So if I have 20 complete tiles and I divide them into 2 groups, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 in each group. Bring them back over here. What if I divide it into 4 groups? This time I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move them so you can see all 5 of them. How did I know that so quickly? Well, I know that if I have 4 groups and I want to get to 20, I know I have to have 5 in each group because I have been practicing my multiplication facts. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Think of how many of these facts, as we're getting our new ones, that you already know because of the other multiplication facts that you know. Now I'd like you to take 2 tiles away. All right. And so now our group has 18, doesn't it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Yep, now we have 18. So now I would like you to put your group, your 18 tiles, in 3 groups. Can you guess how many will be in each group? If I have 18 and I'm going to put them in 3 groups, I bet you already have a guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many groups did I have? 3 groups. How many are in each group? Let's see if you can see them there. Try and make them a little bit more organized so they all fit here in my camera spot. Did you guess 6? Yep. How did you know? Because you know that if I have 3 groups, I need to times it by 6. 3 times 6 gives us 18. You are so smart. What if I divided them into 6 groups? So split them all up here. 6 groups, I would have 3 in each one, wouldn't I? Can I do 18 into 2 groups? Sure I can, because it's an even number. So to do it in 2 groups, what do I need? 9 and 9. How do I know? Because 2 times 9 or 9 times 2 gives me 18. Good job. All right, let's just review our multiplying by 4s and 3s. Let's do the 4s once, then the 3s, and then back to the 4s again. Are you ready? 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Let's count by 3s. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Let's do that saying 3 times whichever number. So 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. Move my paper. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30. Let's do the same thing for times 4s. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. Okay, so don't stop practicing your times 3s. I realize we want to focus on our times 4s right now, but don't stop practicing your other ones. Make sure that you are keeping practicing those so that we keep getting those better and better and better and better. So today you did dividing equal groups into equal sets and practice multiplying by 4s. One more thing, hi, back to me, that I just wanted to review with you, and that is the words we use when we are, I'm going to put my camera down. You might miss some of me, but that's okay. You don't need to see me, right? All right, so if the minute hand is at the 3, that means the 15-minute mark, like on this clock right here, then it is quarter past. Quarter past. 1/4 past is quarter past. If it's down at the 6, that's the 30-minute mark. Then it is half past. Half past 6. If it is at the 9, that's the 45-minute mark. It is 6:45 is our time, but we say 6:45. 6:45. Which one is it closest to? And of course, if it's right up on top, it is o'clock, 7 o'clock. Let's try it one more time. If the number or the minute hand is at the 3, the 15-minute mark, quarter past 7, half past 7, quarter to 8, 8 o'clock. Let's do that one. I'll move my hands a little bit more. So it was 8 o'clock, quarter after 8, half past 8, quarter to 9, 9 o'clock. Okay, so just remember that. Quarter past is if the minute hand is on the 3. Half past, the minute hand is on the 6. Quarter to, the minute hand is on the 9. And remember, then it's the hour it's coming towards, okay? All right, so you don't get tricked with that. We just want to review that and hope that you do well with that on your lessons, okay? Have a great day. Remember, we'll be doing map testing again starting at 1 o'clock today. All right, so work hard this morning, get your things done so that you can have a little break before we do our map testing. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.